And here is a very fresh, very new thing. I have heard about it only a few days before IDS. It's a Bitefinder project. And this is the brainstormer behind the project. Please, sir, introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Björn, nice to meet you. We developed Bitefinder to solve a very important issue in digital dentistry, the issue of penetration or disclusion. So whenever you receive an intraoral scan which has penetration, teeth cannot be inside each other, it's not possible. And that's the reason why your crowns are too high or too low. If you have some air between, your crown will be too high. If you get something like this, what you currently do, you call your dentist and say, please get the patient in for a new scan.
Yes.
They will hate it. Absolutely. Or you have to 3D print the models, put them in occlusion, yes, and scan it again. It takes a lot of time and money.
Yes.
What you do with Bitefinder, you just put two models in, no matter the position, you press one button and you get a perfect occlusion. Based on the perfect occlusion, what we also do is we generate a dynamic occlusion. Based on the fissures and abrasions, we calculate every possible jaw movement. You can import that into exocad as an XML file and get all the dynamic jaw motion data.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
And it will make your restorations way better.
Could you please show an example if you have any capabilities here? Or at least some, I don't know, video? Or is it like a cloud-based technology? Or
yeah, it's cloud-based.
Cloud-based now. So no
it's
need
no need to have a high-performance computer. You don't need to spend 10,000 on a PC.
I'll make a small pause.
Okay, so here's an example. This is an extreme case. We have two jaws inside each other. It's impossible to do it.
They are totally misaligned. You know,
we're totally misaligned. Okay, have a look. Both jaws are imported.
Yep.
And then you use one click, and then you have the perfect occlusion. And you can work with that. What we also send you is a dynamic movement. For every case, there's also an auto-generated video. Let me quickly pause you here on the penetration. That's the biggest issue of intraoral scanners. Yes. They will create penetration.
Totally agree. Yeah.
Not possible. What we do now is, by one click, we give you the occlusion you want without penetrations, with contact, because that's the only thing that is possible. The next biggest thing, because it's based on a perfect static occlusion, is a dynamic occlusion. You can visualize it, you can show it to patients, to the dentist, and also for documentation, you can place it in the folder where everything else is. We also automatically, if you want to, give you 3D print-ready models with the file name on top of the models, so you're good to go. It saves you a lot of time and money.
So what do we get from the Bitefinder website? We get back XML code with dynamic occlusion and yes, two files of
two STLs. Yeah. Once you calculated it, you save it. You get one folder with STL and correct position, dynamic data as an XML file, and the video for documentation.
Does it take a long time? Like you should leave those files overnight or something like that?
No. Depending on your internet connection, the amount of features you want and how big the files are, 20 to 60 seconds.
Okay. So all those calculations are like almost instantly, yes?
Almost instantly, yes. We also have a feature of serial computation, so you can click on one folder, and if there are 10 cases in one folder, it will be automatically queued and calculated one by one.
Okay. And what about the pricing? Is it like per case, or it's like monthly subscription?
The great thing is we don't have any investment. So not like exocad or ModJaw or whatever, you don't have any investment. You just pay if you use it, if you make money anyhow. So it's like a cell phone contract. You know, you can make it prepaid, buy 100 credits, use it 100 times, or make a monthly subscription and get, I don't know, 50 credits every month and use them. The more you use it, the cheaper it gets. Check the pricing on our website.
Could you please show us your website? Where could anyone from, I don't know, Europe or North America go, create account and use your services online? I'm actually already subscribed to your YouTube channel.
Very good. You can just go to bite-finder.com. Here's our website. You find some more information. You can book a demo if you want to talk to us directly and help you install it. You find our pricing. And then just register, get started, create an account, and test it for free.
Oh, nice. Well, thanks a lot.
Thanks, you.
That's a new great future.
Yeah.
Which was needed by the people, especially by
Absolutely.
appreciative users. Thank you.
Thank you.